Log 5 has two parts, the system configuration dialog and the loopback interface configuration. So in this log is the loopback interface configuration. So first is set the IP address of a physical interface connecting the two routers as follows and enable the interfaces R1 with the IP address of 192.168.1.1 and R2 is 192.168.1.2. So first, start muna natin tong device, then right click, then console. Then sa R1, so nasa privilege exec mode na agad siya. So para mag-set ng IP address. So punta tayo ng global configuration mode. So conft, then yung interface na ginamit which is in G00, then IP address, yung IP address 192.168.1.1, then yung subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and enter, then no shutdown or no shut. Then sa R2 naman, and then magsa-set up, same din siya, nasa privilege exec mode na din siya. Then punta tayo ng global configuration mode, then yung interface is 00, then yung IP address, then 192.168.1.2, then yung subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then no shut. So para i-check, do show IP interface brief. Then gigabit 00 is meron ng IP address. Then sa R2 naman is same lang, do show IP interface brief. Then 192.168.1.2. Then number 2, create a loopback interface on each router. So first sa R1 muna tayo. So dito sa R1 is paggawa ng loopback is interface L0 or loopback. Then yung IP address which is IP add. Then for the given log is 1.1.1.1, tapos yung subnet mask niya is 32, which is 255.255.255.255. Then dito yung pinagkaiba niya ng physical sa loopback is hindi na or automatically nang nag-on ang loopback compared sa physical na kailangan ng no shutdown. And sa R2 naman is show. So same lang, interface L0, then yung IP address, then 2.2.2, then 255.255.255.255. Tapos number 3, from each router, attempt to ping both the local loopback interface and the loopback interface of the remote router. So sa R1, di ba, nag-assign tayo ng yung IP ng R1. So, dapat sa R1, mapiping niya si loopback na interface, which is yung 1.1.1.1 and yung remote na 2.2.2.2. So, ito tayo na do ping 1.1.1.1. Success rate is 100%. While dito naman sa remote, which is do ping 2.2.2.2. So, 0% yung success rate niya. Then, tingnan natin naman dito sa R2. So, do ping 2.2.2. So, 100% din yung percentage niya. Which is ito yung sa R1 is 0% yung success rate. So, dito naman is do ping 1.1.1. So, 0 din yung percent niya. So, ang nangyayari kasi sa loopback is nag-assign lang tayo ng IP address. Pero, remotely, wala silang connection. Parang nag-assign lang tayo pero wala silang connection. So, kailangan natin ng static or dynamic routing. So, in this case, is gamit tayo ng static routing, which is yung command na do, which is nasa config tayo, nasa global configuration tayo. So, gagamit tayo ng do IP route. Sa R1 tayo, route. Then, yung IP address, yung remote IP address ng loopback, which is 2.2.2.2. Then, yung subnet mask ng loopback na yon, which is 255.255.255.255. Then, yung IP address ng pagkoconnecto natin or yung magiging route niya, which is yung R2 kasi yung R2 directly connected siya sa R1. So, kailangan natin yung IP address ng R2, which is 192.168.1.2. So, then, enter. Ngunit na. Yan. Hindi na pala kailangan ng do dito kasi dapat nasa global configuration mode na siya. Then, ganun din sa R2. So, IP route. Then, yung remote IP address ng loopback din, which is yung 1.1.1.1. Then, yung subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.255.255. Then, yung IP address ng R1, which is yung R2, connected din doon. So, kailangan nila ng routing, which is doon siya kukonect or yun yung way niya para makakonect dito sa remote, which is 192.168.1.1. So, ngayon, try nating i-ping si loopback interface at saka yung remote loopback interface. Ito muna tayo sa R1. Do ping 1.1.1. Which is ito yung loopback, which is ito na yung kanina na gumana na 100%. Then do ping 2.2.2.2, which is, ito yung kanina na 0% yung success rate niya. Then, ngayon, 100% na siya, success rate. Then, dito naman sa R2, doing 1.1, which is, ito yung 0 success rate kanina. Then, success rate niya ngayon is 100% na. Doing 2.2.2. Then, 100% pa din yung success rate niya. So, sa number 4 naman, remove the loopback on each router. So, para lang matanggal yung loopback, which is yung command na no interface L0 or no interface loopback 0. Then, enter. Then, ganun din sa R2. No interface L0. Then, ngayon, itry natin i-ping si loopback interface at saka si remote loopback interface. So, ping 1.1.1. So, 0 na ulit yung percent ng success rate. So, ang isa naman is do ping 2.2.2. So, 0 din yung percent ng success rate niya. So, dito naman sa R1 is do ping 1.1.1. So, 0 na ulit yung percent niya. Then, say 2 ping 2.2.2. So, 0 na din yung percentage niya. So, nawala na yung loopback.